You want to make a photo hub, one place on your computer or on an external hard drive that you keep all of your digital images, videos, and add your scanned images in as you do that. But they all live in one place. You're pulling pictures from your phone, from USB sticks, from CD, everything that's scattered all over the internet, all come into this one hub, your photo hub, one place, so that it's organized and centralized and it's not scattered. That way you know you have all of your collection and you can easily back it up and make sure it's secure and safe. So if you have any questions about that, put them in the comments below. And later on, we'll talk about how that becomes a place that you can easily search for your photos so that you can tell your story so that they will last for generations.